On a Vortex Spa, you may need to remove your headrest. You might need to replace it, or it might need a clean behind it. The correct way of doing this is very important. What you need to do is pull out on one side like so, do it very carefully. Same on the other side, grab the lip here, and then out. As you can see, the reason for that is, if people just pull them straight out like that, it's going to rip here. Here are the clips that hold the headrest in place. Here is a clip face. Okay, now sometimes, as you can see, that can just pop off with my fingers. Now why it's there is to protect these screws right here, okay? Now to pop that back in place, simply pop it on the groove and click it in. To put the headrest back on, simply do the same in reverse. Do one side at a time and come out and then in like so. Now for the last one, you want to do pulling it out and then back in like so.